Welcome to this single-story home for sale. Just inside the door is a dining room and living room with carpet, fireplace, and a slider to the backyard. The kitchen features wood flooring, plenty of countertop space, and a breakfast area with a bay window. The master bedroom has mirrored wardrobe doors, carpet, and is light and bright. The master bath offers natural light and a shower over the tub. This home is located just off of Via Princesa and Rainbow Glen in Canyon Country, featuring 1,172 square feet of living space and a two-car garage. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and is a single-story home. Just outside the living room is a spacious, large backyard with mature landscaping, grass, and a side yard just perfect for entertaining. You are just minutes away from the 14 freeway, shopping, dining, entertainment, and more.